is nice to stay or to live here. Medyo may kamahalan lang po yung bahay nila dito. Medyo may kamahalan lang talaga. Marami na actually dito, marami na nag-build dito ng mga bahay na tawag dito, yung pinapa-own nila, mortgage, ayan. So, mahal din naman talaga yung rent sa, kahit na hindi ka sa city center. So, nag-rent yung mga anak ko doon 1-4? 1-4? Follow sign. Celebrate na kami. Guys, no, look at the sky. Oh my goodness. parang sarap lang sarap lang siya itanggal, wain ba, no? What a beautiful evening here in Ireland. So 17 PM po ngayon. We are still traveling from Dublin, from Donegal kami po. From Donegal to Dublin. Going to Celbridge po tayo. Outside, this is outside Dublin. Pero so far, so quiet. You know, welcome to County Kildare pala yan. Welcome to County Kildare. So yung Kildare po ay sa Celbridge. Yan, may mga sila dyan. Mga parang barangay ba? Mga town, kumbaga. Pero County Kildare sila. County Kildare. So dalawa naming aso. Nag-travel. Ayan, quiet lang sila. Pa rin siya, very bright pa rin.
In 800 meters at junction 6, take the R449 exit to Linksland West, Celbridge West.
Si Mimin, dito si Mimin.
Exit at junction 6, then use the right 2 lanes to take the R449 round. Use the right 2 lanes to take the R449 round.
Right lanes. Yeah, correct dito, correct. Ayan, malapit na po kami talaga.
In 50 meters, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto R449. Exit the roundabout onto R449.
There you are, Celbridge.
Continue on R449 for 1 kilometer.
Nice na. Oh, wag ka matakot, baby. Ayun na, malapit na. Oh,